Yeah, come and reach out to 1 p.m. for my video. I hear a video. You did spend the money, yes, so. Bad mind, boy, Mr. G. You're bad mind. I know you write my song and you take all our royalties for writing. I don't know you write it. It's not you write my song.
Rightly. I'm going to make sure put it out to all of my friend them and everybody who need to know. So listen, if me go a road and book me tour, Pamputtae and our manager, all fingers are point over there. So, you hear me say? Me not keep no secret in the music. From when I go threaten life, me I take it serious.
People, bad man, people want to share the life, come for talk. I'm want to tell Mr. G, goofy, if you don't take no step by me, and come off of me with him bad mind self. I want to share the life, people. Me not walk and take no step on nobody. Me nobody take no step on me. Mr. G, a little bit of Mickey, a little bit of bad mind. Bad mind, Mr. G, goofy. We sing with Red Rat. We sing the song, say somebody just poop. Nobody no one own it, everybody just a look. Him we sing that song there. Bad mind, goofy. Mr. G, your bad mind. Your bad mind bad. I'm a come for talk, your bad mind. People want to send this all over. Bad mind, you can't bad mind, so. I have to come talk, your bad mind bad. Your bad mind. Mr. G, goofy, your bad mind. Your bad mind, and you have to stop it. Wake up, you're getting older, not getting younger. Your bad mind. People want to share the life and send it all over, because I'm going to talk my mind. Because once somebody can't bad mind, so wicked so. Remember, the song Ride It, from 09. Ride It though, from 09. Mr. G never put out a video yet or nothing. The song dead and forgot, boy. The man bad mind. Them a hold down, them a crosses. I'm in a business when I talk bad mind boy, Mr. G. And you can't touch God Pitney. You can't do nothing with my song when you Ride It. I'm going to tell you these people. I'm going to tell the boy the name Goofy if you leave me alone and stop except for me. Tell the bad mind boy that when I spend the money on the product to leave me alone. Where the blood clot, Mr. G, I take sick for me for. People are from 09, me do Ride It. Nobody no member Ride It. And me going in my van and turn my phone for myself. Me not beg no girl and boy for boss me. Me not beg nobody for do nothing with me. Me not trouble nobody with nothing at all. Cause me know what my God will do for me. Me not follow nobody. Me take my time and sit down in my van. Or in my car and sing my song them. Put in my thumb drive and play my rhythm them and sing my song them. I'm a sing my song, people. People want to share the life. Why people bad mind? So bad mind, Mr. G. Bad mind, Goofy. Mr. G, Goofy, a bad mind. Bad mind, I kill you. Me like a million views when me get from a video. I kill you. Your bad mind. Dirty bad mind, Mr. G. Your bad mind. Your bad mind. Me not see none of una rise. Nobody at all. Me not see a rise. And draw down. Me not draw down none of una. None of una me not draw down. Me never tell selectors if you don't make nobody eat. I not play nobody song. Me never I tell a reason this jacket. Me never bantan none of una yet. All una say me this and me that. Me know that. Me never pay $1 if you don't make nobody song play. Me no bad mind none of una. Me don't bad mind on me wait my turn. Me hold my own till me own my own. Me work with when me after me get to me want. Bad mind, Mr. G, your bad mind. Your bad mind Pamputtae for the million views. Look a million views when me get pan Ride It video. Then reach out to you and ask you, say, if you want, shoot the video, I put a money to the video, you say no. Me do the song from 09 people. From 09. Me do Ride It. From 09, me do Ride It. And remember, Mr. G never shoot a video. Him no business with the song, none at all. True, me do the video for the song, because the song reboost on TikTok. Him a come now, I link 1 RPM to 1 RPM, send the video. And how much him will take down the song. I'm going to take off the song after I'm reading. Just because the song reach 1 million views on my Vivo channel. I hit him at it. You know, collect the royalties, you know, from all long, you know, for the song, you know. Remember, him a collect the royalties for the song, you know, people. Me no trouble him nor nothing, you know. Me just have to say this, you know why I never say this? For all of the young artists them out there. Learn the business before no vice for some pussy hole in that business, yeah. Come to an agreement before no vice for some pussy. Mr. G, you're pussy, you're bad mind boy. I'm not afraid to tell you. If you want to take off, ride it, take off, ride it. I'm 1 million views on Mario. I'm 1 million views on Mario. Bad mind boy, Mr. G, you're bad mind. My ask to tell us if I shoot the video and I see the song, I get out and I jump off back. I said to you, say, shoot the video. And from all 9 the song though. You don't remember the song. You want me sing it, I have to remember it. Come in a bad song. Write it a bad song. Why you bad mind me? A long time me not get 1 million views per one song. Oh, you bad mind me for? Father God, fix them. Me I put them on your foot. God, you have to fix them. Anybody that rise up against me negatively, I'm in a trouble, no. Father God, fix them. But put Mr. G before you. I'm saying I'm going to take off, ride it off, I'm reading. Oh, you bad mind, so? A long time you collect royalties. Me no trouble you. So you see if it's a highlight you want, they're going to give you a highlight, but it's a bad mind highlight. Me I show the people them say you're bad mind. You can't touch me. When you take off, ride it off of the song, off of the rhythm. The people them know ride it. Your bad mind, kill you. Oh, you want link 1 RPM for send over my video without my permission. I don't know, she said the video, you don't have, you've been a collect royalties a long people. This brother you collect royalties a long time after the song. And true, me do the video to me reach out to him, you know. To shoot the video, you know. My team reach out to him, you know. And him know I shoot no video or nothing, you know. And me go some babs and take the money out of my pocket and shoot my video. And this brother, you know, I will tell me, say, he will take off. Because my people them reach out to him. People, me have to come to now, I'm going to know. All of the young artists, them, when they really understand the business, know what not do before no vice for some people. Mr. G, it don't look good for you, you know. It don't look good for you. Your bad mind behavior don't look good. Your bad mind, your vice note me. Bad mind boy, Mr. G. Me see you come up in my blood clot WhatsApp, a vice note me. Your bad mind. You come and reach out to 1 RPM for my video. Are you a video? You did spend the money yourself. Bad mind boy, Mr. G. Your bad mind. I know you write my song and you take all our royalties for writing. I don't know you write it. It's not you write my song. Your bad mind. Bad mind I kill you. I don't know where your voice note me for. Come see. Say your voice note me. Voice note me. Bad mind boy coming to reach out to 1 RPM. You never come to me and ask me. I'm going to send class my video to you. Your people then get a distributor out order. Anybody will distribute for your out order. Your bad mind. Mr. G, your bad mind. Your bad mind. You're wicked. You're too bad mind. When Elephant Man say, you're too bad mind, you're too bad mind, and you attack your bad mind. You've been a collect royalties a long time. You're going like a you did right. I'm writing royalties. You take from me. I'm gone with it. I'm in no trouble you.
I'm going to make sure put it out to all of my friend them and everybody who need to know. So listen, if me go a road and buck me toe, Pamputtae and our manager, all fingers are point over. That's so. You hear me say? Me not keep no secret in the music. From when I go threaten life, me I take it serious. Yeah, let my phone get away with whole heap of calls, so it freeze up the internet. Anyway, I just upon the gram here to just address a few issues. Yeah? I was told that Pamputtae was on her live last night and making a bag of talk and a whole heap of accusations pertaining to a video that she did with a production of mine. I produced a song for her many years ago and she videoed it. Now Pamputtae, you say me, Mr. G, Goofy, Bad Mind, you. Bad Mind, you, Pamputtae. Say God believe you. Say God believe you, know. Me bad mind you. Pamputtae, me not even know about your views them until your manager called me last night when me on me way home. And him a try chuck a bag of badness and tell me the most things in the world. Me have to end up telling back some things. See? Him end up a threaten my life. I tell me say me for watch my head. Say him a bad man and him kill people and Ray. Him name what? Dan Mafia. D Mafia music pan IG. See? Now, there's a wrong and there's a right way to do things. There's a wrong and there's a right way to deal with business. Pamputtae, if your manager they called me last night and talked to me like a civilized human being, we would have had a civilized discussion. Me hear you say, you make a statement, say I've been collecting royalties from your song for years. Pamputtae, try remember, say a few months ago, you are the one that called my phone and asked me to upload your song and the juggling back onto the internet. My rhythm was not available on the internet for at least 8 years. I took it down because me have other plans when me I go deal with the rhythm. You're wrong and you're strong. But hear this. The only reason why I'm addressing this now on the internet, Pamputtae, is because you're not a major corporation. You're not a millionaire that somebody who I can take through the courts and sue and win and me know say me I go get paid. I can sue you for defamation of character. I can sue you for copyright infringements. Your manager will call me and threaten me. Pamputtae, me have him voice note them. Yeah. Me have him messages. Yeah. Me only sorry say, me never know who call me and what kind of vibe it would have been, or else I would have recorded the conversation. You hear that? Would I record the conversation? Come here, say you dep on your live I talk about me a liar say your manager never threatened me. Me not take threats lightly. And me make sure put it out to all of my friend them and everybody who need to know. Say listen, if me go a road and buck me toe, Pamputtae and our manager, all fingers are point over there. So, you hear me say, me not keep no secret in the music. From when I go threaten life, me I take it serious. No boy can't frighten me. Me is not a little uptown kid, we're born uptown. A concrete jungle me born. Check my history. A Sherlock me grow. Show it the years. Make them tell you, every garrison in Kingston, me a every garrison good. And you know why? Because me is a youth to deal with respect and principle. Pamputtae, you go about the situation wrong. I have a distribution company that is distributing my rhythm, my product. All you had to do, Pamputtae, is to make yourself or your manager call me and say, Mr. G, I want to put out the video, but I want to run it through 1 RPM. Of course, me I go tell you say you can't do it, Pamputtae. Because your little video now go change my life. For the last 28 years, ask anybody who know me. Besides music, Pamputtae, a business me now. Real estate and other business. Them will tell you say me open wholesale. Them will tell you say me do all kind of business. Because me have this. Me have a headpiece from me a youth a grow. Why you think say me can survive and live alright and nice and happy? Music, just like everything else, have downtime. And it have high tides. So while the downtime them thing there, we can survive and live nice and happy and enjoy ourselves. Until the high tides them come again. Because we think ahead. Pamputtae, you don't have to take my advice, but hear this. Change your attitude. Throughout the years, you've crossed a lot of producers. The manager where you start out with, you and him no longer together. Why? You've changed a few people who had your head back. Why? The way you deal with life is how you deal with things, how things will end up. Deal with diplomacy. I mean, I gotta come back and forth on the internet and is a woman. I'm not going to disrespect you, but be fair in your doings. If I was trying to sabotage you, Pamputtae, I would have called my distributor and tell him to take down Pamputtae's song from all media platforms and take down your video. Me not try block your thing in no way. Me never ever try block nobody things in life. That's why me survive. Because me keep a clean and a pure heart. Me bad mind you. Fewer 1 million views. 1 million views are scrapsies, Pamputtae. If your manager never called me and talked to me last night, I won't even know nothing about your video. Me just know say you did do your video and when you send it to me, me send it out on my broadcast list. Me never have that on my mind. Pamputtae, me busy in the studio. Every day me in the studio I work. When me not working at the studio, me I do me other business them. Me have a collab come out with Buju Banton. Me have a collab come out with Christopher Martin and Cutty Ranks. Me have a collab come out with Taros Riley. Me have my album I work on. Me have whole heap of things I do. 1 million views? Say God believe you. Me bad mind if you 1 million views. The only reason I'm come on the internet today, you know, because me is a man a whole heap of time. Me hear a whole heap of people are I'm going to answer them because it is not important. It is neither here or there. The only reason why I'm on this internet today is because your manager, Dan Mafia, or one name, D Mafia Music, threaten my life. And from your threat my life, me I gonna make the world know. Me I gonna make my friend them know. Me I gonna make everybody who fi know. You hear that? That is the only reason why I come. Because you talking bull, you're talking crap, Pamputtae. You go about the business wrong. If you had just picked up your phone and called me, just like how you pick up your phone and say, Mr. G, can you put up my song on the internet, on the platforms? And I said, of course. And I did it. I did it. Because I'm not trying to stop any progress for anybody. Me not build them ways them. I've never been built that kind of way. Ask anybody who know me. Pamputtae 30 years in the bus now, Pamputtae. I've gone through generations. Me have more than 30 hit songs. And me have songs that hit in our market. And me have songs that hit in the African market. And the Spanish market even different. Pamputtae. Why you think me don't skettle out myself? I'm not the kind of artist where people go and say everywhere, anywhere. How often do people get a chance to see me? I am reserved. I do not need to be in the public's eyesight. When me need for comfort with a project or comfort with something, I will step forward. So I'm leaving you with this last note, Pamputtae. I'm asking you to keep my name out of your mouth. I do not want to have to take you to court because me will spend the money to do it. Pamputtae. You see you run off your mouth yesterday? If I was a vindictive human being, I would have just call my distributor and tell him, say, Chris, delete her song. And deleting a song, your video would have been deleted. The so-called 1 million views that me bad mind you for. Me, say God believe you. Just know how you go about business. Know how you go about business. You understand? Have a blessed day. They are them take care of themselves. Heart of love. Manners and respect.